Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into Cash App. So this is particularly useful for individuals. Let's say you accidentally forgotten your Cash App account just because you've always been using like Face ID or something. Either way, this is what happened to me. Unfortunately, I did forget how to actually sign into Cash App, but through research, I've actually been able to figure it out. So first what we're going to do is click on this Cash App icon. And then from here, you're actually going to go ahead and enter your phone or email. So do keep in mind, so from here, you're either going to enter your phone or email. So after you go ahead and enter your phone or email, I'm going to go ahead and enter it off screen. From this page here, what's going to happen is that you're actually going to go ahead and get a confirmation code. And with that code, you want to enter it right over here. So just go ahead and enter that confirmation code and then click on next. Now, once you've entered that confirmation code, you should automatically be signed into Cash App. Now, if your phone number doesn't work, you can try entering your email. And with that email, you just need to verify it. They're going to send you another confirmation code to your email so that you can actually go ahead and log into your Cash App. Either way, this is the best and easiest way that I know to actually go ahead and sign into Cash App. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.